You can see this device moving back and forth in a very narrow space. This is a kind of underground transportation machine. Do you think it looks special? Why is it so small? And what is its function? Actually, this is a shovel specially designed to mine a type of industrial salt, which is only about 1.8 meters high. This type of salt usually exists between rock layers hundreds of meters underground. In the past, people often had to mine this type of salt by hand, but the efficiency was very low and the cost was high. Therefore, this type of shovel was developed to work in underground environments. The way it works is very unique. First, the parts of the machine are disassembled, then transported underground by elevator, and finally reassembled according to the design drawings. Due to the harsh underground working conditions, this excavator is designed with a special structure. Flat shape. The cabin is placed behind the front wheel, and the height of the machine is equal to the tire and the body. In order to help the driver have a clear view in the narrow environment, multiple cameras are installed at different positions on the machine, allowing the driver to observe through the screen in the cab and perform the necessary operations. The bucket of the machine is controlled by a hydraulic system, allowing loading and unloading of goods in narrow spaces much more efficiently than manual labor. Even if the front bucket is replaced with a gear roller, the machine can significantly improve mining efficiency. Now, let's look at the world's smallest car. It is like a part of a car, without a cockpit or wheels, but can move on the road. This car was built by a group of mechanics in Italy. They took the upper part of a car, cut it down, and modified it to make it movable. The chassis and small wheels were installed under the body, with a height of only 3 centimeters from the ground. The engine was mounted directly inside the car, and the driver had to get in from the back, lying face down to control it. To see the road clearly, a camera was mounted on the roof of the car, allowing the driver to observe through the mobile phone screen. Although this car looks very strange in driving, is quite inconvenient, it has attracted the attention of many people, and some people even requested mass production. If you find this content interesting, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, so as not to miss the next interesting videos. Please leave a comment and suggestions so that we can improve the content better and better. Thank you for watching.